Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your PlayStation 5 as primary. So the first thing you want to do is switch to your main account. So go to switch users right here and go to the account with the PlayStation Plus symbol next to it, the one where you buy all your games. And then you can share your games in PlayStation Plus with all these other accounts on your PlayStation 5. So here's my main account. Let's log in and then go up to the top. And then go to the right and go to settings. Scroll on down to users and accounts right here and select this. Then go down to other and then go to the right and go to console sharing and offline play. On the PS5, this is the equivalent as the PS4, setting it as primary. It says anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media, even when the console is offline. So this will share your games and PlayStation Plus with every other account. So go to this and go to where it says enabled on the bottom right. Now, you can only have one PlayStation set as primary at a time. So if you got a PS5 Pro at your house, only one can have this activated. And then you need to download the games on your main account by going to library right here and then go to your collection. And once you download it to your PlayStation 5, every other account can then use it. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.